welcome to the puke pan. But really, cry rooms, cry-ins, puppies, pizza and chocolate, you must be joking. I witnessed this nonsensical and pathetic bullshit yesterday, and I really needed a puke pan. Yesterday was Veterans Day, and I wondered if any of these sniveling punks and sissies in the cry rooms and the Cornell University cry-in shed even a single tear for our veterans that have died and have been wounded, or other vets that have fought and still fight for their right to free speech and all the other freedoms that only the United States of America enjoy. Hell no, these little assholes take all of their rights and freedoms for granted. I also wonder if any of these sore loser babies even took the time to thank a veteran for their proud and brave service to our country, protecting their rights as well as mine. The answer is they were too busy focusing on their own arrogant, egotistical, and self-centeredness. Crying over election results, seriously, it makes me want to puke. These Rudy poop bunch of coddled, spoiled little brats, supported by the most pathetic bunch of ideological and completely ignorant teachers, professors, and administrators, is sickening. Please never put one of them or their administrative officials in a foxhole with me. I would think these piss-poor excuses for teachers and professors would be teaching our children to accept and support whoever is elected. Last I checked, we were all Americans, but maybe that's only applicable if your side wins. That's the America I grew up in. I believe we should be teaching our children to accept defeat and then strive to better ourselves in all aspects of life. Losing can be done with dignity. The crybaby wimps and sissies react like a 5-year-old child when you take the TV channel off of SpongeBob SquarePants. Instead of reacting like a grown-up, an adult, our men and women in Iraq and Afghanistan don't have cry rooms or timeouts with pizza, chocolate, puppies, and grief counselors to console them. And furthermore, they would be offended and insulted if they were installed. They don't want or need them. They are real adults, heroes, proud and brave, dealing with life on life's terms, protecting and preserving all of our rights, privileges, and freedoms we enjoy as Americans, including all of our right to vote. These that you apparently take for granted when freedom isn't free. Get real and get over it. Try and complete your education and at least attempt to do something productive with your self-serving, pitiful lives. So there it is, time for the puke pan and my treasured right to free speech. If you don't like it, that's just too bad.